Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the case and putting the phone on a cool, flat surface. This exposes the chassis and lets heat dissipate faster. Next, close heavy apps and force stop any runaway process because CPU load is the most common heat source. Then disable Bluetooth, GPS, and mobile data to reduce wireless radio strain. These services can keep chips active. Once done, give the phone 2 to 5 minutes idle, so temperatures begin to drop before deeper steps. You now diagnose what's keeping the phone hot. Open battery and usage stats or a monitoring app to spot CPU, GPU, or radio spikes. These readings show why the device heats. If an app uses abnormal resources, uninstall or disable it. Apps can loop in the background and force constant processor cycles. Make sure your OS and apps are updated because patches often fix power bugs. If unsure, boot into safe mode to see baseline thermal behavior without third-party interference. You finish by applying final fixes. If software causes remain after updates in safe mode, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate persistent software faults. Check battery health in settings. A degraded or swollen battery generates excess heat and requires replacement by a professional. Also, stop using intensive apps while charging and always use the original or properly rated charger to prevent overcurrent. If heating continues after these steps, one key troubleshooting tip: have a technician test the battery and thermal module for hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.